In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in Lucidchart. If you're working on a project in Lucidchart and need to adjust the orientation of your text to create a more dynamic and visually appealing layout, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step needed to rotate your text with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Lucidchart website. It's an essential first step because this is where all the magic happens in creating diagrams and modifying text. Once you've reached the site, look for the Login button on the homepage. Clicking here will allow you to access your account where all your documents and past work are saved. Next, if you haven't already logged into your Lucidchart account, you'll be prompted to do so. For simplicity and quick access, you can use the Sign Up with Google option. This is particularly handy if your Google account is already set up and connected to your workflows. Once you select this option, proceed to choose your account from the list displayed. This step ensures that you're safely and seamlessly authenticated into the system. Once logged in, locate and click on Open to access the project you're currently working on or would like to edit. This will bring up all your available documents. Simply select the one that contains the text you want to rotate or create a new document if you're starting from scratch. Now with your document open, click on the specific text element that you want to rotate. This selects the text and highlights it, making it the focus for subsequent editing options. After selecting your text, you'll notice the toolbar becomes active. Here, look for the Text Options icon, represented by a T symbol. Clicking this will open up a tab with various text editing functionalities. In this tab, what you need to look for is the Rotate Text button. This button is usually located on the upper side of the Text Options tab and is your key to changing the text orientation. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. You'll then see the ability to rotate your text come to light. Simply click to rotate and your text will rotate in predefined increments each time you click. Repeat this clicking action until your text reaches the desired angle or orientation. This handy feature allows you to position your text perfectly within your design, ensuring your diagram communicates effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully rotated text in Lucidchart, giving your project a professional touch. Feel free to explore these features further and experiment with other functionalities to enhance your diagrams. Thanks for watching and happy designing.